Do you have a second property that one of your family members lives in, held in your own name? This could be a very bad idea. Why? Well, let me tell you. Just had a call with a client this morning who own their own home, husband and wife, and they also own a second property held jointly by husband and wife that their daughter lives in. And so they were not concerned about asset protection, thinking like, well, our daughter's not going to sue us. However, they just got a lawsuit filed against them. By who? Well, it's a guest of the daughter who was at the daughter's house during a party where there were some adult beverages being passed around, and this person ended up getting injured on the property. They were walking through the yard, ended up tripping on a rock and knocking out their front teeth, and so now the parents are finding themselves in a situation where they own a property. There is no asset protection on the property. There's no personal asset protection. And they are looking at tens of thousands of dollars in dental bills for their daughter's friend who is in the process of suing them. So don't have a false sense of security that if you have a family member living in a property that you own, that you are safe from lawsuits. Nothing could be further from the truth. While it may be less risky than a true rental situation where you have an arm's length tenant that would love to sue you and get some free money, even with a family member in there, any of their invitees or guests that get injured, you're getting sued. So consider something like an LLC or a Florida land trust. In this case, we could have actually done a better solution, or had a better solution, in that we could have had a land trust in place to provide asset protection for the parents, anonymity for the parents, and allow the daughter as the beneficial interest holder to get a reduction in her property taxes. So think about that. If you have a second property, think of asset protection, think of anonymity, and think of potentially lower property taxes. If you have any questions on that, just let me know. Drop a comment. I love answering your questions. Have a great day.